It takes seconds to lose data. And most of the time, you assume recovery will be simple. Days pass, work continues, nobody notices. Until one day, you try to recover something that was lost. Only to realize recovery has limits. Native backups offer a limited restore window of just 7 to 28 days. And when you restore, the entire CRM environment is replaced. But what if you could retain your most critical CRM data for as long as your business needs it? Introducing Backup4Dynamics, built to protect, restore, and recover exactly what matters, even the smallest data possible. Restore what you need, whenever you need, without an expiration date, built for visibility, control, and enterprise-grade recovery. Your data protected for the long term. Backup4Dynamics designed for enterprise-grade point-in-time recovery.